Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. I hope you had a great Memorial Day weekend. I had a small Sephora box order come in and I needed a couple things from Ulta and I thought, sounds like a mini haul to me. So first, my little Ulta bag. I picked up a couple of things that, I got a couple of Hello Kitty face masks. How cute are these? I get my granddaughters periodically, and the two older ones are definitely old enough to do face masks, and I thought if I got these, they'd even be excited about it. So the first one is Ready Set Glow, and it is a 24 karat gold face mask that promotes glowing skin. I know, your basic 11-year-old is already glowing, but she's gonna love it. And the other one is a unicorn, and the 7-year-old loves unicorns, and it's Shooting Stars Sheet Mask, Shimmering Pearl Intense Glow. So these sound super fun, and I knew that the girls would love them. Actually, they sound like something I would love, so depending on how they go on them, I may pick up a couple. Next, I got the, Mario Badescu. I have looked at all of his products and never purchased them, and there are so many mists, and I am all about the mist this summer. And this is the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. And this is just the little trial size one. And it was like $5 at Ulta. I mean, I think that's what it probably is everywhere. And it's 2 fluid ounces. Let's see what the back says this one's for. To invigorate dull, tired skin with an infusion of botanical extracts, cucumber, and peppermint essential waters. It delivers a cooling boost of hydration that leaves the skin refreshed and revitalized. And I thought what I would do is stick this down in my purse for when I'm out and about in the summer. Let's prime it first. Oh, it smells really nice. It doesn't reek of cucumber. You know, sometimes cucumbery things can be seriously cucumbery. Oh, it feels nice. Yeah, I'm gonna stick that in my purse. And when I feel overwhelmed, I can just spritz myself. Anyway, moving on. Next, and this seems odd for a girl who spends very little time in the sun. It is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Body Mist in 70. Influencers. That is the reason I own this right now. Tati said so. In Tati's video with Scott Barnes, they were talking about how to get a glow, and she sprayed it across her clavicle and her upper arms. And this was one of Scott Barnes' tips for getting that glow. So I thought, I want to glow, and I'm so pale that an SPF 70 is never a bad choice, so I don't know. I guess I should probably read about it. Superior reach and control. So the beauty of this is they think I'm going to do my back. My back is never exposed. This says that the Ultra Sheer Body Mist with Helioplex provides superior broad-spectrum protection against skin aging, UVA, and burning UVB rays. Burning rays. They're bad. It has a non-greasy feel. So let's see if I get any... Clearly I'm doing something wrong here. Oh! Well, it's very cooling. It just smells like new... Oh! Oh man, I don't know. Let me do the back of my hand, but it did. It totally left a glow on. Not that I thought Tati or Scott Barnes would ever do me wrong. Let's see if I can get this so you guys can see it. That's my beforehand. And now it's dry. And that's my after. Can you see that shine there? I hope you can. Can you see it from back here? But my hand is totally glowing now. This was such, yeah, it's dry. This was such a great tip. So you could hit your clavicle, the tops of your shoulders through the summer and have a nice body glow that's not at all sticky and tacky. Yeah, consider that passed on from Tati. So that is all that I picked up at Ulta. So let's get into my Sephora box and see. I just got a couple of things from there too, but a couple might be of interest to you guys. Okay, so time for Sephora box. It's just a little one. I was so sad that after I did my giveaway the other day, I hadn't purchased myself a little Natasha Denona palette. So I might have gone back out and chosen another one for myself. This one is the small, it's the mini Lila palette. I just needed a Natasha Denona palette. You get it, right? So of course I got myself the ones with the purple. Because purple. I love purple. and they're little pans, but I go through eye makeup so slowly and I have so many palettes in rotation that they don't need to be big. I'm gonna run out of time before I run out of product in any given eyeshadow palette. Let's just swatch a couple. Oh, they feel like Natasha Denona. So we'll get in the purple, and this purple, oh my goodness. And this one, and this one. Well, you know what? If we get the thumb involved, we can have them all. All right, let's just do them right here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. They are so pretty. I'm gonna love these colors. I cannot wait. Oh my gosh. They're gorgeous. So this is the mini Natasha Denona. I say Lila because one of my girls is Lila, but it could be Lila palette because I know it's Biba palette, but I'm calling it Lila. And for my two samples, I chose the Gabrielle by Chanel because, you know, I used to say, and I've said this in videos before, I don't want your perfume. I get plenty of perfume, thank you. Now I kind of like it. Let's just go for it. Oh, can you go wrong with Chanel? I don't think that you can. Getting ready to go see Aladdin with the grandbabies. Can't wait. Gonna be the nicest smelling Nana there. And the other one was this adorable Sephora face mask sample collection. But I thought, how fun would that be for a face mask Friday where I can put each color on it. They're probably going to be the same color when you take them out of there. But each color for a different reason in a different place. So it has the gray clay mask, green clay mask, and pink clay mask. I have to tell you, if I had done that Grace and Stella one before I ordered this, I probably wouldn't have ordered this because I can't imagine I'll ever like a clay mask better than that. I felt great for days. They say the gray is balancing and mattifying, the pink is unifying and brightening, and the green is purifying and pore protecting. And they've got the green on their nose, the pink on their cheeks, and the gray on their chin and their forehead. So maybe we'll do that on a Face Mask Friday. The other full-size product that I chose was the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Palette. I wish I had thought to bring mine up. I'm just gonna open this because the reason that I chose it is this gorgeous hunk of awesomeness is going into my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I want to get everything prepped for that in advance, so I'm not putting it off this time like I was last time. Oh, there is no piece of plastic over this, so I'm going to be super duper careful. But I went through my palettes and I was trying to decide what my favorite palette was. And I decided this was definitely up there. I love all of the sparkle and shine in it. And when I do my giveaway video, I'll take mine out and do a lot of swatches and samplings, but I don't want to leave this one out. So this will go to one of you guys in my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And also, when I was checking out, one of the samples they offered was this TLC Sakari Baby Facial and Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil from Drunk Elephant. And it's a good little like deluxe trial size. And I have used both of these products and can use them. The Sakari Baby Facial, I did a video, you can check it out here. It made me super red the day that I did it, crazy red. But the next day, I wasn't red at all, and my face was like baby skin. So this has the little Virgin Marula in it, and I use this in the evenings all winter long, and this is 5 mLs. And then this is also 5 mLs of the Baby Facial. I would say this will probably, judging from it, if it's fullish, will give you 2 solid baby facials. So I thought I would put this in my giveaway for you guys to try because I love the Drunk Elephant products. I use the Lala Retro and just so many of them. I love them. So that's what I have today for my little mini haul. And thank you so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you really soon. Comment below. There were like 4 of these choices and I couldn't decide which one to get. Have you used any of the Maria Badescu, if I'm saying that anywhere near right, products? And did you have good luck with them? I really like the idea of carrying a mist in my purse, so I think I'm gonna like it. Let me know, guys, and I will see you all again real soon. Bye.